Hello and welcome to IPO Talks. This is Vivek Law. Participated in an IPO and now wondering how to check your allotment status? Let's decipher this process today. IPO or initial public offering is when a company offers its shares to the public for the first time, enabling individuals like you and me to become a part of their journey. To check your IPO allotment status, the first step is to visit the website of the registrar of the IPO or any other such registrar handling the IPO. On the registrar's homepage, you will find an option for IPO allotment status. Click on it. This will open up a page where you need to select the company's name from a drop-down list and provide either your application number, DPID or PAN. Upon entering the necessary details and clicking on Submit, you will be directed to a page showing you the number of shares allotted to you. And voila! Now you know how to check your IPO allotment status. Everyone gets an allotment, but it depends on the number of applications and available shares. Stay tuned for more valuable insight. Thanks for watching IPO Talks.